Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install core blocks. So first of all, click on this browser, Google Chrome. In here type core blocks download. Then on the first link here, coreblocks.org, click on this. By default you are here on the downloads page. So in here you have to come here and click on this binaries. You can see here different options for Windows, Linux and Mac. So click on this Windows. In here come here source, click on this. You can see your download will start shortly. The download has started. I will pause the video and I will resume it when it is complete. Download is complete now. So click on this arrow and open. Click on next, agree, and next install. The core blocks is installing now on your system. It will take little time, so have patience. It's installing now. Click on yes. You can see the core blocks is just opening. It will take some time for the first time. Click on OK. Now the core blocks is open. Now enjoy the core blocks. Thank you.